番薯。
Psychiatry into the mainstream. Do you think that's a fair characterization, Linda? I'm not sure it's the mainstream Irish practice.
好靚。
But you know what I'm saying?
番薯。
There was something like, let's think about Victorian asylums, for example. He brought it to a hospital with nurses that were caring.
呢個未熟。
John, as far as I can understand, even if they didn't agree with these particular practices he was doing. Yeah, I think that's probably the only tip in his favour. And he was in, I found out
好熱。
in the 1934 himself. I think that really shocked us. He did have a mission to get to enter the asylum. But he did that actually in order to sort of control some of the unwell patients involved, either giving them bottom or giving them such large doses of Largactil or Bromazine or something like that because they would be so huge and flat, similarly lobotomy, flattening their personality. So we got them out of the
好靚。
哇，好靚啊！哇，有油添。
雞蛋黃啊！
雞蛋黃，哇，好靚嘅番薯啊！yummy yummy。
石頭嗡落去啊！
哇！
梗係搣嗰邊啦，呢邊燶咗，搣呢邊先啊嘛。哇！雞蛋黃啊，佢由呢邊啊，你嗰啲燶啊揸住啊嘛。
搣晒啦，搣晒先。
連搣都想話你啊！燶嗰度啱啱熟啊！
哇！真係呢個番薯真係
嗰隻未熟喎。
yummy yummy。
啱啱行過咧，聞到燶味喎。
個底而家仲
唔暈啊嘛，一邊燶有柴火嘛，一邊石頭嚟啊，甜唔甜㗎？
甜啊！
梗係啦，佢漚到甜，哇，正啊！
好靚，
炭燒柴灰，
金黃色㗎，
柴灰番薯，雞蛋黃啊！
雞蛋黃
啊，試下先。唔影啊！冇拍到，都 OK 嘅其實。
都 OK 啊，好食啊！係啊。
唔係啊，嗰邊啊，即係個太陽。
哇！好靚番薯。
啖甜。
啖啖肉啊！
好味啊！有冇飯食啊？
冇飯食啦，食番薯。唉。
皮都食埋。哇 ，morning。
yummy yummy。
好難都食到。
美味美味。
睇住我食。
美味美味。
今日好太陽啊！
今日好太陽嘅嘛，哇！
好高又冇食飯。